Sponsoring Riptide. Looking for sponsor play. Oh, she cute. Ain't she cute? She's so cute, right? She'd be cuter if we added googly eyes and eyelashes to the googly eyes. I feel like that's an amazing idea.
I don't think it's too late to get pink wheels. Pink
wheels!
Pink.
What?
If we make it to Texas, can we have pink wheels? Pink wheels! How do you feel?
I feel great.
You feel great?
Yeah, I do.
You feel like we're gonna do amazing at this comp?
We're gonna do what?
Amazing at the comp?
Looks like Jar Jar Binks. See? Like this. Like Jar Jar Binks.
Jar Jar Binks?
Yeah, Luke said it was a Star Wars thing. And I had to Google it, but it looks exactly like it. Or like the Parasaur dinosaur.
Currently, we are. What are we doing?
I don't know why we're waiting to the end because there's no closure ceremony, but we're just waiting through the filler matches.
Yeah.
But we don't have to be.
We don't have to be here. Don't know why we
I
are.
want to be at the hot dog place. I want a hot dog.
We're gonna go to a hot dog place. I forget the name. I'm wearing bear socks.
And you're gonna get the hot dog with the Fruit Loops on it.
Wait, is that actually a thing?
Yeah, did you not see it? We were talking all about it. It's this like crazy hot dog place. They have all this.
I'm excited. Wait, do I actually want that? That sounds
Do not.
exciting.
I swear, do not get. No, don't get it with. Ew, that's disgusting.
That sounds exciting.
That's disgusting.
It sounds exciting.
Exciting, but not for dinner. Fruit Loops on a hot dog?
Hello, party people. We just went to, where did we go? Hot dog?
Picture of y'all in the bike box thing. Something dog.
The
It
what?
was amazing.
We went to a hot dog place.
Happy dog. Yeah.
We went to Happy Dog. And it was kind of fire. And I tried a hot dog with ketchup and Fruit Loops on it. And it was absolutely delicious.
I got a burger with sloppy joes and mac and cheese.
Was it fire?
Yeah.
Yeah. We are on our way back to the hotel. We are in Cleveland, Ohio at the moment for the Buckeye Regional competition. Is that the name?
Yes.
Yup.
2025 regional cup.
20.
Regional cup?
20.
I don't know.
We're gonna get a cup.
Cup?
Into this?
I don't know. Yeah, you get a cup.
No, you get a banner. Blue banner.
Don't.
Oh, regional banner.
Hashtag
sorry.
Blue Banner 2025.
Hashtag Blue Banner. Hashtag We're Going to Worlds. You can low key. You guys can kind of see it through. This is our pin, guys. Wow.
Fine boom, fine boom.
Boom, 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 boom. Here's my backpack with. These are all pins from our last competition at GPR, Greater Pittsburgh Region. That's where we're from. We're based in Pittsburgh, PA. If we make it to Texas, we will get cowboy hats. If we get to Texas, we will get cowboy hats.
Get a license.
See it through great. Oh, that's a shot.
That is a shot.
Oh, that's so pretty. His feet stink.
So do yours. Your whole body stinks.
Kaylin's does the most. She put her boots in a bag in the closet.
Yeah, she did. Kaylin, she's our mechanic. Main
She's
mechanic.
pretty cool.
She wears cowboy boots every day. And she at least owns the fact that they stink. What are your opinions on English?
On my class?
Yeah.
Oh, I hate it.
Valid. Gray.
What?
How do you feel about English class?
Eh.
Mr. Raz, how did you feel about English class?
Math is better than English.
Math is better than English.
I'm gonna say it.
You asked the
Not
STEM.
controversial at all, but I'm
You
gonna
asked
say
the
it.
STEM team.
We
which
are
is
a
better.
robotics team who
Right.
deals with
Math,
STEM
science,
and math.
technology, and engineering.
but that doesn't make our answer biased at all.
At all. No.
No, not at
Not at
all.
all.
It means it's the majority. The majority don't like it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
4 out of 4 people that we interviewed don't like English.
for real.
That's 100%.
Exactly.
Yeah. I don't see a problem with that statistic.
There's no problem with this statistic at all.
That's not her horse costume, but that's the horse costume.
Yeah, I'm just
The carrier.
its protector, guys.
Yeah.
I'm just the
This
protector.
My
is
jacket.
That's her button jacket. Here, fold it out.
Everything's gonna fall.
What?
Oh,
Oh, it's everything.
All the
buttons.
Oh, they're not gonna fall. Look at how many there are. I'm trying to beat it. I'm almost there.
3 years
Not
worth.
quite, but
Neither of us have beat Kenzie though.
I will beat Kenzie.
Many.
At the end of my 4 years, I'll beat Kenzie.
has like 5 years.
I'm a freshman, by the way.
Context.
She's a freshman. She's a senior.
Kenzie is my sister.
2 years older.
She is
No.
one of our mentors.
Not 2 years older.
2 years older. 5 years older.
5 years older.
Than me.
2 years graduated.
2 years graduated.
Yeah.
She's in her sophomore year of college for mechanical engineering and she hates it.
Duh. Mechanical engineering, obviously. STEM team. Robotics team.
STEM.
Oh, you guys get to see Kaylin.
Oh yeah, that's the one
Kayla
with
said
the
hi to the
boots.
vlog.
Yeah. Smelly boots.
Smelly.
That's
Oh,
Kaylin.
that's what you're gonna have.